Hi up guys, in this video I will show you how to send disappearing photos on WhatsApp. Firstly, when you're on that chat section, just click on the camera action right down and then select that photo. And now what I need to do, as you can see right down, I have that option which is selected by one side. If I click on it, it will set send photos and videos that can be only viewed once, and says for more privacy your photo or video will disappear from the chat after the receiver opens it once. Now you can go OK, and if you get back again, it will not be selected that feature, and that means that it will not be a disappearing photo. Just click on that selection and set photo set to be viewed just once. Just send it. And guys, with this, as you can see here, we get up that send disappearing photos on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.